Hey, welcome back to my channel. Injector nozzle / cup / sleeve / tube remover and installer set for great compatibility. Fit for Volvo engine 2007-2016, Mack engine 2008-2020. Great compatibility. Fit for Volvo engine 2007-2016, Mack engine 2008-2020. Special features: a specially designed kit that allows the copper unit injector sleeves to be extracted from the top of the cylinder head. The kit utilizes an expanding collet design to grip the sleeve from above and attaches to the polar force screw. Superior quality: advanced blackening, heavy-duty steel process, durability, and anti-corrosion. Ultra-precise design meets the requirement of high precision and hardness and a much longer service life. Upgrade design: equivalent to OEM tools for removal of both steel and copper sleeves. Directly replaces OEM reference number 9986174 fuel injector remover 888000387 fuel injector sleeve tube cup remover 888000513 stainless cup installer 888000196 brass cup installer. 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not 100% satisfied with our tools, simply return it for a full refund in 30 days. Support 12 months. Warranty. Professional and sincere service allows you to take no risks to purchase any cowboy. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.